Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I have a new collection by Makartt. So this is the Reloaded collection. So this collection consists of 3 different sets. We have a set which is an all-in-one gel polish starter kit. We also have a 6-color gel polish set, and then another 6-color gel polish set. So y'all, my first take on it is that the packaging is absolutely beautiful. I mean, I literally have the same couch, y'all, and I am gonna take that idea with the different colored pillows. These like little pictures definitely look like they could be on a picture frame. Definitely really pretty. So this one is the Reloaded. This one says True Queen, and then that one says #girlballs. So I'm gonna go ahead and open them up, and then I am gonna be using them on this set of acrylics. Alrighty, so I'm gonna start with the all-in-one gel polish starter kit. So this one is going to include 4 different gel polishes. It also has some alcohol wipes, which comes with quite a few, and then we have a little tiny nail light, which is literally from 1 finger. It's definitely really cute, and then it comes with the cord to plug, like the little USB cord to plug it in, and then it comes with a nail file, and then the other side is a buffer. So if you're looking for something, you know, to just do your own nails at home, this would definitely be the perfect set, because this is literally everything you need to apply gel polish on your natural nails. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one up. I am gonna be using the alcohol wipes out of this one to wipe her nails. And then we have a black, a white, a nudish, like a grayish color it looks like. Let's see. Okay, so it's like a grayish color, like a gray nudish color, so definitely really pretty. And then we have a black glittery one. So this one is called Basic Babe. The white one is Come Out on Top, and then the black glitter one is called Bullet, and this one is Manifest. So the names are definitely really cute, and they go along with the whole little theme of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that one over to the side. Next we have the Girl Boss collection. Again, this one is going to consist of 6 different gel polishes. Alrighty, so these are the colors that are in this box. So we have a silver glitter polish, a gray one. This looks like it's a nude. We have pink, burgundy, and a brown. And then next we have the True Queen box, which this one includes a black one, a pink glitter one, a light pink. This one looks like it's burgundy as well, and then a black glitter and a white. So they come with similar colors. Let's see. Yeah, so some of the colors are definitely really similar, and y'all, I'm absolutely loving these bottles. I've never seen nail polish bottles that look like these. They are the 0.2 fluid ounce containers or bottles, and the colors definitely look really cute. So I am going to be incorporating all of these polishes on a set, so just continue watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alrighty, so these are the 4 colors that I'm going to be using. These are from both of the collections, and then out of this one I'm going to be using the top coat, so, and then also the little alcohol wipe. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so this is what they look like. I wanted to do something really nice and simple and clean because I definitely love the pink acrylic underneath. So now I'm gonna go in with the Come Out on Top Soak Off UV Top Coat. Alrighty y'all, so here is the final look. So I created this look using these 4 gel polishes and of course the top coat. So again, this is part of the Reloaded collection by Makartt, so I'll be sure to leave the link down below so you guys can go check them out. I absolutely love the color combination that I did on these nails. They just look super cute and clean. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys next time.